latest disruptive, innovative technology in the battle against hair damage is Absolut Repair Molecular. As hair is damaged, peptides are lost, resulting in hair that loses elasticity and strength, with prolonged damage will result in hair that becomes oversensitized and broken. That's where Absolut Repair Molecular comes in. It is concentrated with peptides, which not only replenishes the lost peptides, but strengthens and gives the hair elasticity, giving molecular reconstruction in just one use. There are 4 products within the range: a pre-shampoo spray, a shampoo, a liquid treatment, and a seruming cream. This 4-way protocol will not only restore the hair's fibre, but give the hair strength and elasticity. Now, let's look at these products in closer detail. Pre-shampoo spray. This is pure strength in a shot. It helps restore the hair's lost elasticity. We would use this on damp hair, working section by section, using up to 15 sprays. No need to rinse. We would use a layering technique with the shampoo and proceed as normal. Next, we have the shampoo. This is an extra gentle shampoo. We would apply it in a layering technique with the pre-shampoo spray. It gently cleanses, leaving the hair feeling nourished. Liquid treatment. This evens out the hair's porosity and restores suppleness. We would apply on damp, pre-shampooed hair, section by section, using up to 3 pumps, working the product into the hair and allowing for an even distribution of product. For optimal results, massage the product into the hair for 1 to 2 minutes for optimal penetration. Lastly is the seruming cream. Applied to damp hair, working up to 3 pumps into each section. In an ever-changing world of trends, Absolut Repair Molecular gives every client the confidence of strong, beautiful hair.